It's time to start this weekend good. Oh, what a beautiful night. Get some teas. Shit.
Only one kind of person can get fame in this world. Shit, I'm the best one. Motherfucker, I'm the best one. You heard me, I'm the best
Taylor
one.
about the fucking flex.
Am I good enough yet? Everywhere that I'm going, I wear a hood or a vest. Stuck in the mud, I'm a mess. Addiction forms from stress. I'm the best damn one of these kinds of people. Think it should be illegal for me to even be alive. Get behind the life and drive straight up inside the mind of a madman. The way you go about it makes it look like a bad plan, and the way I save the day makes me look like I'm Batman. Switching up my flow, why don't you tell me how it go? I listen, now I'm distant from your mission.
Yes, sir. We out in the big shitty body. F250 gang. I don't give a fuck what nobody said. This shit nice as hell. Don't mind that sound over there. That ain't nothing. We about to get down and dirty tonight. If y'all don't already know, it's a bonfire night. Maybe with some teas, possibly some teas involved. But I don't foresee anybody coming through because I ain't hitting nobody up. You know what I mean? I think everyone might be a little busy tonight. You never know. People got their boo things and shit. So I'm out here thugging it with the wood and the fire. So see what happens. I might get fucking attacked by a swamp monster, hopefully. In the shitty F250, pushing it along. Don't worry about the sound she makes. What matters is she gets you to point A to point B with no issue. Also gets you low to point A to point B with you. Oh! Let's get to this fucking spot. I can't wait to start this fire. Or do I start it?
Yeah.
Taylor.
We don't hang around.
Fuck. Yo, what the fuck did that shit come? What the? Hey, yo! Fuck y'all come from, bro?
What's up, bro?
What's good, bro?
You just chilling out here by yourself?
God, I mean, I was trying to, but it's
Diddy party now. My niggas are fucking speaking around, taking mad long. I'm over here waiting on y'all.
Yeah. Slow down, bro. Slow down. We had to help him start that bitch. You already know what day it is. It's a bonfire night. You already know. So are we gonna start this first shotgun together?
I need your keys, Jerky.
Oh, I didn't pop out all the way. I almost fucked up.
I'm about to say you done fucked up again.
I understand at this point. Let him take his too. Fuck it.
Hold on. No. You come on. You're gonna take this shotgun too, Turk.
Yeah.
Bro, is this sanitized, bro?
Basically. Oh Lord. Damn, this is lukewarm. I like it. You already cracked all y'all ready? Holy shit, I'm sorry. Mark's leaking. I feel bad. I'm sorry, Mark. Alright, ready? Alright, yo. We're fucking Jimmy. On Jimmy. 1, 2, 3, 3. Oh yeah. That's a bonfire night right there. That's a good question, man. I don't know why we're putting this. Shit, bro. I'm losing my touch. Fucking meta.
Oh, bro, stab that shit. What are you scared of?
I just kept it in the wrong spot, bro. On music. 1, 2, 3.
Chasing this money, I can't stop, won't stop.
Oh, fuck. Fucked up. I saw it some left in. I had some left in the chamber real good. I'll get him back on the next one. Oh!
Oh, try.
There's a method, Mark. There's a method. Watch.
You idiot, bro.
Just get this. You grab your said sharp thing. You point it this way.
Man, you don't know what you're talking about.
He got it.
Fire. Bonfire.
1, 2, 3, bonfire. I finished that one. You see me? I finished that one.
First one you finished. That's the first one all y'all finished.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's how you
Pretty
coming?
sauced up.
Oh yeah?
I want to go see the log I just died on.
My leg! Damn. This law took my man's
tripped
life.
over this shit crazy, bro. I hurt my ankle. Is what it is.
Do you have any like wisdom for the day? Like, do you have any bars you want to spit, bro?
I don't have any bars, but make sure y'all do what makes you happy. Don't worry about what anyone got to say.
Oh yeah, Zeke. Fun fact of the day, bro. You got anything for me?
Fun fact of the day.
Yeah.
For all the people out there,
Yeah.
in this time of day, you got a stack of cash
Okay.
and keep your credit good. That's it. Yo, Pat, what the fuck you doing, bro? We all went home, bro. Yo, get up, nigga. What the fuck, bro? You're wildin', bro.
No, I could have sworn I went back home.
Clearly not, nigga. What the fuck? You got mowed by yourself or something? You cleaned up last night. You're wild, bro.
I say them teas be lit, bro.
You need to chill with the teams, bro.
Good looks for coming back to me, bro.
Come got this far wallet,
Fuck
bro.
on this